Today I am going to unbox Mivi Moonstone, which is also known as Party on the Go Bluetooth speaker. So first let's talk about some features of this speaker. 10-volt output, super solid bass, long battery life, premium build quality with IPX5, easy to carry anywhere. Model number BS10MS-GR. So let's open it. Speaker, micro USB cable, aux cable, user manual, you can also insert micro SD card, charging port. So let's check sound quality. Bluetooth connected. Perfect. I hope you like my video, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit like button. See you in next video.